Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2016 Kia Forte 4. Car has signal repeaters in the mirrors, has a sunroof, has fog lights, beautiful gray color. The big green sign in the upper right hand corner of the windshield says the car is qualified under the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program. When you're here for a test drive, check out the benefits and features of that program on this vehicle. If we get on the car, it says Sirius XM is on. The car comes with a 3-month trial of Sirius XM radio. Of course, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Has an active eco function, traction control. Only 19,731 kilometers. That's pretty incredibly low for a 2016. Steering wheel has audio and cruise controls. Got Sirius XM radio. Car also has a backup camera. Has dual climate controls. Has Kia's UVO, which is your voice for commands. Auxiliary USB port and some charging ports. And some heated front seats, which are made with cloth. As we look up, there's also a sunroof. That driver's seat is height adjustable. And because it's a Forte 4, trunk and gas door controls are on the floor at your feet. In the rear, plenty of room for passengers back here. Going a little bit further back on the car, we find it's an EX gas direct injected engine. Beautiful, great big trunk back here for carrying groceries, sports equipment, outdoor gear, anything you need to carry. Also, this one has the rubber floor mats and the trunk protector. As with any purchase, the best way to make an informed decision is to actually come down and try the car. Bring the family down, go for a test drive. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 Sundays and most holidays. And we're West Coast Kia, just over the bridge in Maple Ridge.